All right, let me introduce you to a camera. This is a bird feeder camera. One of the best things I've seen, and I haven't seen in any other camera, in any other system that's similar to this. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It's the actual top of it. It has two solar panels, and they give you the additional one, of course. Here's another one for extended solar. All right, so not only two, but you get three. I've never seen this before. This is something that I can't wait to actually put it together. So you could set up the extra panel in here. They give you the actual manual, a mount, and also the actual setup itself. This is for the birds mounting in here for the perch. All right. Now, on top of that, they give you additional setups because there's different for tropical birds that like to eat fruit. Or if you want to set up some fresh fruit, you can do that. Hummingbird setups. All right, these are for the hummingbirds. They could come in there. Right, critical. They do give you the tools to mount this up. Right. Also, when you fold this down, there's a power button. There's a reset right there. The little indentation there. That's a reset. They give you a little reset thing. DC 5 volts. This is the type C that you're gonna plug in if you want additional recharge. But if not, you could just charge it with the wireless. Micro SD cards located here. So this is how you activate it, right? All right, so here it is. I actually had an existing solar panel, so I'm using my old one. But look at this. It's really high up there. I fill it up with a lot of the food. You guys see. So we're gonna take a look at the footage to see what it could do, but I'm not putting any fruit or anything out there because sometimes they get spoiled. I'm just going to keep it as is with the food. All right, we're going to take a look at the software itself. From here, you can actually see the battery life on the actual bird feeder. You can see the events, anything that has moved, and identify the birds because it does have built-in AI. You can enable light settings. You could speak two-way speaking. So if you put this in front entrance and somebody's dropping off a box, you can do that. Identification, you could turn off the sounds and so forth. So if you want to see pretty much all the events, you just go into the little area here and it gives you everything that pretty much any kind of movement that the birds have done there, and you could go from date and track it and so forth. So if you want to get messages to your email or your text, you can do that from here, enable it. So very simple application.